Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Photoshop for tattoo designs. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, create a canvas that has a transparent background, then add your objects. Now using my eraser brush, I will fix my objects and make sure to rasterize your layer first. Now you can change the type of your brush to make the smooth effect. Now after you finish, just export your image as PNG file. Now after that, add your tattoo model and add your tattoo design. And now place that where you want to place it. Then after that, lower its opacity. And here you can choose different styles. And now after that, using the eraser brush tool, just clean your work. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.